Hi and welcome to the first of its IP of Blank Canvas, which is OMG Face of the Year 2021. We have been a great year for Blank Canvas. This is the first of its IP. ये जो IP है completely virtual IP था, जिसपे बहुत सारे लोगों ने participate किया और बहुत सारे लोगों ने compete करके आज हमारे पास top 5 contestants मेल और top 5 फीमेल आए हैं. ब्लैंक कैनवस के लिए बहुत अच्छा साल है बिकॉज नॉट ओनली टॉप अप OMG face of the year is up, but also we are coming up soon with another IP called Glamon 2022, the calendar. The calendar is also going to be about celebs, supermodels, and big brands. आज का इस आप सबको बुलाने का एक ही उद्देश्य था कि we wanted to announce the jury, we wanted to announce the finale, and we wanted to make sure that आप सब हमारे कुछ jury members को आज मिल के उनसे बातचीत करें. So first of all, I would like to call a very known actress Vindhya Tiwari, who will join me as a jury. Please come. That's it. Yeah, here we go. Please come. We have Swarovski's ex-chairman and currently director of Swar Gem and Jewelries, which is Rajendra Jain. Please come over. We also have supermodel as well as one of the juries and mentor at Blank Canvas, Sunny Kamble. I don't think he needs any introduction. And we also have Preeti Shenoy from Skinworks, my very good friend and powered by sponsor of Top OMG Face of the Year. Boys and girls. He's also going to crown, for the crowning, he's going to make them ready for the finale. Please meet designer Anis Dean. He's all the way come from to meet us. And a big congratulations to you. Please have a seat. For our finale, Garrison Bristow is also going to be a part of the virtual photo shoot with Dabu Ratnani, which is also going to happen on the 11th of December. जो ये 5 contestants, boys and girls, अपना virtual photo shoot करेंगे डब्बू जी से from this place at Garrison Bristow. I'm very happy to get all of them here. They all are from different genres. इनकी सारी अलग-अलग field से आते हैं. They are going to judge. We also have more jury panel, which is not there today, but you'll be seeing them on the finale night. So over to you guys for all the questions, and I would first.
Each one to speak about the association with OMG, and then we can take.
Great. So over to you, Vindhya, about the association as well as to make us understand how do you feel.
Hi everyone. I feel amazing to be here, and just want to start up with this line that we all are so caught up to go to our destination. But we actually forget to appreciate the journey and the goodness of the people we meet. So we are, as a judge, as a jury member, we are not here to judge contestants. We are here to appreciate, to tell them the power of appreciation. Because appreciating people is a very beautiful thing. And I am sure that we, at the, about night, the way we choose the participants and the contestants, we will make them understand that yes, the competition is there, but more of competition if we can appreciate the journey and also show compassion towards each other. So with our experience, with our own dignity, if we can make them understand that what makes you successful in life, I think that's the way we will definitely
Great.
support them.
For your knowledge that 25,000 से 28,000 लोगों ने इस वेबसाइट पे आके omgfaceoftheyear.com पे आके रजिस्टर किया. 2,500 कंटेस्टेंट्स इस क्वालिफिकेशन से आगे बढ़े मीटिंग द क्राइटेरियाज, और आज उन 2,500 को नॉकआउट करके ये 5 मेल एंड 5 फीमेल कंटेस्टेंट्स हैव कम अप टू, एंड देयर जर्नी इज इनक्रेडिबल. जहाँ पे पूरे सारे प्रेजेंटेशन, सारी सारे कॉन्टेस्ट वॉज वर्चुअल, सब कुछ वर्चुअल था. एंड इट वॉज द बेस्ट थिंग एवर कि उनका जो प्रेजेंटेशन का तरीका था वो सरप्राइजिंग अस, स्पेशली विद द सिटीज़ वेयर दे कम फ्रॉम. They were not just coming from Mumbai or a Delhi or a Bangalore or any metropolitan. They came from Mohali, they came from Bareilly, they came from Bhagalpur, they came from I can't even
Gandhinagar.
Gandhinagar. I can't even believe that talent in जगहों पे छुपा हुआ है. So these people were also trained by Sunny and Kavita for the walk and sync round, or they had to present their walk, which was a very big task for us कि हम physically जब walk सिखाते हैं fashion shows में तो बहुत easy होता है because सामने लोग होते हैं. जब हम virtually करने जा रहे थे तो we were like very skeptical कि कैसे होगा. I'm very grateful to both of them with so much of experience being supermodels themselves that they made it so easy. And वो 1-1.5 घंटे में इन्होंने जो top 20 को walk सिखाया था, that presentation is over to gonna happen on the finale night. So Kavita, how did you feel about this entire
First of all,
association?
congratulations, OMG Face of the Year. And it's amazing, the whole journey, the association with you guys, it's commendable. 2,500 entries. और सबको online सिखाना, it wasn't easy. And then Parimal sir is there, he's so amazing, his team is so amazing. And बहुत ही अच्छा लगा, it's been a great association. And we are looking forward for the finale.
Great. How about Sunny? Sunny, how was the journey with me teaching the boys? Huh?
Before me teaching and me mentoring, a big, hats off to you and OMG, Face of the Year. You all have done such a commendable job. And during such a time where, we were not sure of what is happening. And especially in fashion and glamour industry, there was very little work and very few things that were happening. And given this opportunity to people from all around the country, that they can take part in this first ever digital hunt, it is commendable. And and we saw, like he mentioned, that we trained top 20 male and top 20 female, and phenomenal talent has come from every corner of the country. It's just so amazing to see, the newer talent coming in and proving the mettle, putting the best foot forward. Just waiting for the finale now. Excited about it.
Great. And not to forget, ये फिनाले के जो फाइनल क्राउन और ट्रॉफी हमारे बहुत डियर फ्रेंड और मेरे गुरु से आ रहे हैं, माय मेंटोर राजेंद्र जैन फ्रॉम स्वार्ज फाइन जेम एंड ज्वेलरी. ही इज बीन a very key initiator in my life also to make sure that he's shown that vision to us that no, you can do anything and everything is possible. So I would ask him that after getting associated in such a short span of time, how do you feel about getting onto OMG?
First of all, thank you so much. Good evening, everyone. First of all, I would like to congratulate Parimal and the entire team of OMG Face of the Year for putting so much hard work and sincere efforts for making this event beautiful. I'm also thankful to Parimal for inviting me as a jury member. It's my privilege, and I'm excited for it. My best wishes to the entire OMG team for its success, and good luck to all the participant nominees. I'm looking forward. I'm excited. I'm looking forward for the finale event.
Thank you, sir. And not to forget, our the first person who believed in this IP, this OMG Face of the Year, the person who came up to me and said, "Okay, no, I believe in this, and let's get it cracked," was none other than my friend and my very good co-partner, Preeti Shinai. She comes from Skinworks. Always the skin works with her because the glamour she's making everybody's skin works. So Preeti, welcome aboard. And how did you find this journey to happen?
So, when Parimal discussed this with me 1 year back, and I was extremely excited that, at a time when the whole world was completely on a shutdown, he had this innovative idea of getting this thing on board. I mean, and reaching out to so many people all over the world and giving opportunities to so many people, so many talents. Like, as we say that, small towns, small cities where they don't have any exposure, and seeing 25,000 applications, and out of that we have come to 2,500, and then we have done 5 beautiful, and those innovative rounds are amazing. I think I salute Parimal and his entire team to be so creative in trying to choose the talent and giving them different genres, like trying to pick them up from fitness to even the way they showcase their skin.
Yeah.
The video, how they take care of their skin, and in terms of walk and sing, which was great by Kavita and
Sunny.
Thank
who
you.
helped them. So we are all excited as a jury to now see who are the top 10, but I feel each and every one of them is a winner.
Absolutely.
At the end of the day. Because they took that leap to participate in such a digital platform, and amazing. Kudos to everybody.
ग्रेट. सो इस चीज़ से हमें ये भी पता चलता है कि हमारे साथ स्किनवर्क्स के अलावा भी जो हमारे प्राइम पार्टनर हैं टॉप अप, जिनके एक न्यूट्रिशन ब्रांड है विच इज़ अ हैसल फ्री ड्रिंक फॉर ग्रीन टी, कैल्शियम, गट एंड ऑल्सो फॉर I think the 4 variants. I missed out on anyone. I don't know. And calcium and gut. Yeah. So these products have always been very youth centric. और उन्होंने भी काफ़ी अच्छा contribute किया इस चीज़ के लिए. Where they believed us. I remember Mr. Kalicharan. We went and met him and he immediately said on this thing that this is it. This IP is going to go years. और ये IP को हम believe करते हैं. Let's get on to it. I have also come up and said कि नहीं, next year season 2, season 3 we need to get on to it. उनके अलावा भी हमारे बहुत सारे partners रहे हैं. Which is a big thank you to Bicep, to Rubaru, Mr. India and Miss India Elite, because इस फिनाले से हमारे जो 2 प्राइम विनर्स होंगे उसमें से तो हम टॉप 5 जो क्राइटेरियाज को मीट करेंगे वो रूबरू, मिस्टर इंडिया और मिस इंडिया एलिट में भी जाएंगे. सो दिस इज समथिंग विच वी आर क्रिएटिंग अ प्लेटफॉर्म. जो BC टाउन सिटीज से आ रहे हैं उनके लिए एक बहुत बड़ी जर्नी है एंड होप दे लव दिस जर्नी ऑफ OMG फेस ऑफ द ईयर.
कविता, मेरे आपसे सवाल है, it's been 2 years, it's been very tough for everybody. So कितना easy या कितना difficult या कितना challenging रहा to get contestants from all over and pick the best, because obviously we're looking at a national contest and how challenging was it? Was it for both?
See, challenging तो था ही, but the thing is we've been doing online training from a while, so हमें थोड़ा idea तो है कि कैसे हमें करना था, कैसे conduct करनी थी class. But it's commendable for the students who are learning, because it's for the first time they were doing that, and you won't believe it. First you were thinking whether they'll be able to get it, उन्हें समझ में आएगा क्या सिखा रहे हैं, but towards the end जब हमने उनके videos देखे, they all were so good. We got like goosebumps looking at them, that in such a span of time on a online session, if they can learn so much, so if they do a personal class, how much they will learn it. So it's commendable. They have put so much hard work, and we are really happy.
Aspiring model के लिए क्या वो एक special चीज़ है जो audience should know, that when they're aspiring and when they're working towards it, what is that they need to keep in mind?
See, first thing is confidence. Always, if you're confident, तो होना, no matter if you're good looking also, but you don't have that confidence, कैसे अपने आप को carry करना है, कैसा walk है, क्या designer wants from you to deliver. So all these things are combination of lot of things, but वो confidence जब brand में दिखना चाहिए, जो walk में दिखना चाहिए, that plays a major role.
You're an actor yourself, so when you have contests like these, as an actor, what would you see in a contest to be to be able to be participating in a pageant?
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई एम वेरी वेरी हैप्पी दैट परिमल जी ने हमारे हिंदुस्तान के हर कोने से एक एक पार्टिसिपेंट्स जो हैं वो यहाँ तक लेकर आ पाए हैं. बहुत ही कमेंडेबल चीज़ है ये, क्योंकि मैं भी बनारस से हूँ, आप सबको पता है दैट आई एम फ्रॉम स्मॉल टाउन. और बहुत स्ट्रगल करनी पड़ती है जब आप एक छोटे शहर से आते हैं बॉम्बे. तो बेसिकली छोटे शहर से लेकर जो बॉम्बे तक का सफ़र होता है वही अपने आप में बहुत मुश्किलों भरा होता है, क्योंकि बहुत सारे नोज़ को आपको येस पे परिवर्तित करना पड़ता है. तो उसके बाद आपका एक नया सफ़र यहाँ बॉम्बे में शुरू होता है. तो जो भी पार्टिसिपेंट्स हैं उनको एटलीस्ट इन्होंने एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म दिया है जो कि डेफिनेटली मुझको कभी नहीं मिल पाया. तो मेरी स्ट्रगल और भी ज़्यादा लंबी हो गई. तो अच्छा है, अच्छी बात है कि इन्होंने एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म उन्हें दिया है कि वो सारे क्लीन लोगों से मिल पाएंगे, अपने टैलेंट को खुद भी समझ पाएंगे. और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि एक इंसान